Good morning.
Proceed through the gate and register at the main building.
Uniform scales, no scars. This one meets luxury criteria.
Confirmed.
That ventral scar is too prominent. Reject.
Make sure that number 3 is clear.
Got it. Confirmed on the tablet, batch 42.
Ensure the cleaning is thorough before it moves to inspection.
Understood. We have an issue with the humidity in Sector 4.
Verification complete. This is number 7 of 15.
Confirmed. Proceed with hydration and prep for the luxury jacket specifications.
The scales are perfect, Master. We're holding steady. This is the most premium crocodile leather. This piece will become the jacket front. Number 7 belly.
We utilize everything. The belly is premium, but the sides make excellent sleeves, and the back strap here is incredibly textured for accents.
Yes, the alignment is correct. The quality is exceptional across all 15.
All right, manifest confirms 15 skins, temperature sealed.
Signed and sealed. Destination Tannery Facility.
All right, secure your gear.
The truck is cleared through security and heading to the dock now.
After delimbing, skins are moved to a neutralizing solution. The pH is carefully monitored, targeting.
This is the tanning moment. Skin becomes leather here, a permanent transformation, creating durable leather, the chrome.
This is the critical stage. The front left needs the belly leather here, but the sleeves must follow the side grain exactly. The belly leather goes here on the front left. We need to save the side leather for the sleeves.
An impressive, comprehensive display. The layout clearly implies the jacket shape. Sourced from 15 crocodiles, the masterpiece ingredients are finally ready for construction.
Skeeving removes thickness, creating a perfect beveled edge for a flat seam. We run a finger along the edge to ensure it's thin.